Hello everyone, this is Dennis, and you're on the Electro channel. Today we'll be building a very simple circuit, consisting of just 3 parts. This circuit is a step-up voltage converter. With it, you can power a powerful LED from just one battery. You can use power sources with a voltage of 1.5 volts or less. In this case, I'm using a 1.2 volt nickel-cadmium battery. With this power source, I was able to power an LED like the one used in flashlights. This simple circuit is based on this microcircuit. It's labeled QX5252F. It's typically used in low-power outdoor lights. The converter is built using this circuit. The LED output can be adjusted. This is convenient if your power source is weak or has a very small capacity. This is done by selecting the right choke. Mine is made from a ferrite bead, which has only 3 turns. Here's a table taken from the chip's datasheet. The higher the inductance of the inductor, the lower the current delivered to the load. In this case, I only have 3 turns on the ring, so the inductance is low, but the load current is high. If you use more turns, the current will decrease. I took the ferrite ring for the inductor from a fluorescent energy-saving light bulb, but the inductor can be wound on something else and smaller. You can also use any other LEDs in this circuit. Here, I used 3 5mm LEDs connected in parallel. This flashlight also produces a pretty good light. Keep in mind that the output voltage of such a converter is pulsating at a high frequency. Therefore, if you measure the output voltage, the multimeter will read it incorrectly. It shows the voltage of the current source. It looks like the LEDs are running on just 1.5 volts. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ask questions in the comments if anything is unclear. Click the bell to stay updated on new videos. Bye everyone.